Hello my dear students, you all are welcome to this video subject session of maths where students we are going to discuss in the workbook page number 93 one of our new topic which says that write what is missing from these divisions. Students, we have been given some of the questions here in that we have to write what will come in this blanks. So let us start with the first one, students. Along with this one, students workbook, you have to take out the notebook of the maths also to do some of the work which needs the calculation. So 80 divided by blanks is equals to 40. Students, I have to find it out here that what I will divide with 80 so that I can get the answer here is 40. So no need to worry, students, just do it in the work here. The 40 which was given here will divide this 40 into 80 with 80. It means, students, what you have to do, you have to find it out here what will come. So students, you only have to do one thing. The number which is given with this equals to this side, it means the left hand side I will tell, right hand side I will tell it as right hand side. You'll divide this number with that right hand side number. So 80 divided by 40. I know that to do this division, I know that 40 ones are is 40, so 1 will not come. 40 twos are, I will try with 2 zeros are 0 and 4 twos are 80. It means 40 twos are 80. So what number, what the answer is came, students? 80 divided by 2. The answer would be 40 here. Next one is blanks divided by 7 is equals to 35. So students, do one thing, put this 35 here and do one thing. You'll only do it here, multiplication of 5 and 7. I know that 5 sevens are 35, and when 35 is divided by 7, answer will come as 5. Now next what I have to do, students, here 120 divided by 10. Very simple question, students. Here you have to do it. 120 divided by 10. 10 ones are 10, minus 2 will come 0. 10 twos are 20, 0, 0. So the answer would be here as 12. Because 12 has came here, students. 90 divided by 30. So for this division, students, let's come in the book. 90 divided by 30. So I know that, students, 30 ones are 30, 32s are 3 twos are 60, and 33s are you need to do, students. 3 threes are 9. So 33s are it is 90. The answer is 3 here. Come downside, students. The question number 21, write 2 division and 2 multiplication facts using the given factors. So students, we have been given some factors here. 80, 1800. 1800 is a big number, and both the numbers 60 and 30 are the factors of 1800. So students, what I have to do it here is I have to write it here 2 of the facts. So what 2 of the facts I have to write it here is that for 60 and 30. Now what I will do, students, here 1800 is related with 60 and 30. Why it is related? Because 60 into 30 is 1800. So we can call this 60 and 30 as the factors of 1800. Now I have to write it down 2 of the facts here. Now what I will do here, students, is that with which number I will multiply 60 so that 1800 will come. Of course, I will multiply 60 with 30. So 1800 will come, and 30 with 60, 1800 will come. In the next question, similarly, we have to do one thing. 25,500 and another number I have to write it here. It means, students, I have to find it out that 500 into what 25,000 will come. So students, come here 25,500. First I will look it down. Students, this is 3 digit, this is 3 digit. These 3 digits, it means 250 is smaller. Then I will look it down for the 4 digits. So I have to do it here, the calculation. 500 ones are 500, 500 twos are 1000, 500 threes are 1500. The table of 5 is working Only simple thing what we are doing is that we are adding two zeros. So I know that students 500 into 1s is 500. 500 into 2s are 5 2s are 10. 2 zeros, it means 1000. 500 into 3, it is students 5 3s are 15. 2 zeros will come. 500 into 4s are 5 4s are 20. 2 zeros will come, and 500 into 5s are. So students, 500 into 5s would be 2500. The similar way, students, you have to write it down here. 2500 0 0 0 0. This 1 0 is remaining extra. This will not be cut with 500. This will go up. Answer will come here is at 50. I know that, students, vice versa it is working. 500 into 50 would be 25,000, and 50 into 500 would be 25,000 here. The next, student, it is very simple, students. The number given here is 1 lakh. So what I will multiply it with 10, the answer will come as 1 lakh. So students, this 1 lakh I have to divide it with 10. Come on the rough page again. 1 lakh divided by 10. Of course the table of 10 will work here. So students, do one thing. 10 ones are 10, 0, 0. 4 are the remaining zeros, will go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to the book again, students, here. This one number you have to write, and another number which I have got here is 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 10,000. So 10 into 10,000 would be 1 lakh. And 10,000 into 10 would be 1 lakh. Let's do the next question, which says that fill in the blanks. These are word sums. The information is given here. We only need to arrange this information in this column. What does it say? 14 bananas. 14 bananas are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14 bananas. Divided between 3 people. How many people are there, students? 3 people are there. Gives 4 bananas to each. It means when 14 bananas are divided between 3 people, so everyone will get 4 bananas. And 2 bananas that cannot be divided. Now students, we know that 14, if bananas are there, when we will divide this number with 3, 3 is my people. Now students, do it in the rough page. It means 14 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 bananas are left over. So the 2 bananas which are left over here is known as remainder. Clear, students? What we will call here, it is the remainder. Means after dividing these 14 between the 3 people, everyone will get 4 bananas. 2 bananas will left over. It means now 14 divided by 3 would be 4 bananas to each, and the remainder which is left over is the 2. Let's come to the next question, students. What does it say, students? Now again, 14 carrots are divided between 5 people. Count the number of carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Gives 2 carrots to each. 4 carrots that cannot be divided. I know that, students, when 14 carrots are divided with 5, 5 2s are 10. 4 is the remainder. This 4 will be the number of carrots. So students, when 14 carrots would be divided with 5, everyone will get 2 carrots each, and the remainder would be the 4. Let's come downside. What does it say? It says dash camels divided between 2 people gives dash camels to each person and dash camel left over. Now students, count the number of camels and write it down in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 camels when divided between 2 people. So students, do it here. 8 divided by 2 gives 4 camels to each people. 0 is remainder, means no camel will left over. No camel will left over in this case. Gives 4 camels to each person. 0 camel is left over. Students, a mistake is done here. It is that 14 camels. It is the 8 camels. We have divided with 2 people. Gives 4 camels to each. The remainder is 0. Next question is 23. Write a division fact for each problem. For this each problem, I have to write a division problem and solve it. Then again I have to solve it. What does the answer mean? Let's try to solve this question, which says that arrange 112 chairs in rows of 9. Now students, I know that the rows are like this. It means the arrangement of the chair, I have to do it like this. So students, 112 chairs, I have to arrange it in the rows of 9. It means I will do it with the division. So when 122 is divided by 9, divide it in the book. 9 ones are 9, 2, 2, 9 twos are 18, 4. 4 chairs will be left off. It means the answer was 12 chairs. We have to write it here, are to be arranged in each row. And now 4 was the remainder. It means we will write here 4 will be left out. The next question is arrange 800 erasers into piles of 3. Now students, 800 erasers, it means like this is eraser. I have to arrange it into piles of 3. 3 will come here, 3 will come here. Now students, what I have to do it here is that 800 into piles of 3 means division. So 3 2s are 6, 2 0 3 6 are 18, 2 0 3 6 are 18, 2. It means students, here what I will write here I am not having space, that's why I am writing here 268 piles would be made and 2 will left. Don't mix it here. This one is answer up to that. Come to the next question, which says Rafiq rides on bicycle and travels 4 km distance daily. Rafiq is per day riding 4 km bicycle. In 1 month he will travel. Now per day, if it is 4, so 1 month means 4 into 30. Clearly I can see here 4 3s are would be 12 and 1 0 would be added. In a month he will travel 120 km. In 1 year he will travel, I know that in 1 year it is 365 days. Per day is riding 4 km. Now what I will do here students is that I will do multiplication of 365 into 4. 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 26, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. Now in a year he will ride 1460 km. If he will travel 2 km more per day. Now he was traveling initially 4 km plus 2 he will travel. It means now he is traveling 6 km a day. Then he will travel dash kilometer in a month. I know that in a month it is 60. So now students, 6 3s are it is 18 and 0. Now he will travel 118 km in a month. If we'll travel 12 km in a day, now if he's traveling 12 km in a day, the number of in 1 day he'll travel dash kilometer in 6 months. I know that students, in 6 months the number of days are 180. How 180 you will ask me students? So in 1 month it is 30, in 2 it is 60, in 3 it is 90, in 4 it is 120, 5 it is 150, and 6 months it is the 180. So 12 into 180 would be the answer in kilometers. Multiply it here students. He'll travel 2160 km in 6 months. Students, these are the questions what we have done today on this page and this page. You have to write it in the workbook along with the notebook. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day to all.